AMT sequencer. In Signal View and in the Setting tab, by clicking on the Export Comtrade button, all signals are displayed in Show Signals section as a list in Export Comtrade, the Check Channels to Export section. When loading some XGO files into XGO and XML formats, the conversion of quantity units are done by default regardless of their unit. Right-clicking on the first row of the table in tracking mode is disabled. If, in the table view, the number of states are more than 60, they are updated by moving a scroll to the left and right of the values in each state. A new tab is created in Measurement View called Tracking Assessment. This tab is used in testing the power swing function. Testing this function is important when the relay is blocking the distance relay after passing the outer zone. To do this, you first need to list the point in characteristic view in the first point time and end point time columns in this tab. The user selects the number of that shot, and the selected number will appear in characteristic view. The time interval between the 2 points selected in the first point time and end point time columns are calculated and evaluated. By using the default color option, the color of each vector in vector view can be restored to default without the fault message appearing. In some XGO files, after loading in the software, for parameters that were enumeration type, the basis for comparing the ID parameter from the value column is added. AMT over current. If the space key press options are enabled, you can stop testing pickup drop-off. AMT differential. If the wiring is on the secondary side of Z, the currents are calculated correctly. AMT synchronizer. In Test View, a new button called Quick Test is available. After pressing this button, 8 test points are created on the boundary areas in the synchronizer characteristic. Current transformer. During the test performance, the saturation curve in excitation and excitation with DC is updated and optimized.